Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max is having wireless charging is not working issue which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix it. The first one is all about when you're having this particular trouble, all we have to do is a simple reboot on your iPhone. This might work for you as well. You can try this out. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here scroll down and navigate to general. Keep scrolling down and navigate to transfer or reset, not that, go for shutdown. And there is an option called slide to power this off. You have to turn this off. Once afterwards you have to turn it on once again and see whether the issue is solved or not. You might be trying to charge it once again and check whether the issue is solved. So this is actually a basic step. This is not going to work for in all the cases, but if not working, you can move to the next possible workaround. Once is all about, the next one is all about, we need to make sure that the iPhone is in the latest version. So I don't know how, but this did help with many users. I found this in the forum as well. So make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or cellular data. Just go over here in the settings, and from here we need to scroll down and navigate to general. Scroll over here and navigate to software update and make sure that you're on the latest version of software update. As you can see, I use 17.0.1, which is on the latest version. So you have to update it to the latest version, and once afterwards check whether you are still having an issue with the Wi-Fi, with the charging issue is still there. We can try some of the more workaround. Third step is all about, you have to use a MAGSAFE charger, and that is a very important step. You have to use it. So try using the MAGSAFE charger. That will be working fine as well. For many users it did work it, so you can try this out. Fourth step is all about, we have to remove the phone cases. I don't know how, but this did work it for many users. As you can see right now, my 14 Pro Max which I'm using right now, and even in the 15 and all the segments which I'm using right now in all the phones, see what is happening means I'm not using the cases. Because sometimes when you're using the case and you're charging your phone, that might be working or that might be a hindrance. So you have to keep in mind, you have to remove the cases and try charging your iPhone. That might be working fine as well. So even if it's not working, you can try with the last one. That is all about, you can reset your iPhone. So reset iPhone in the sense you can do a complete reset on your iPhone. For this, tap over here in the settings. Now from here scroll down and navigate to general. Keep scrolling down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Go for reset over here and go for reset all settings. We can try this out. For few users it did work it for them, so you can try this out. Even Apple sometimes asks you to do the reset all the time, so you can try this out as well. So after this, most probably all the issues will be completely fixed, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.